Welcome back to the next episode of Play Stupid Games, Win Stupid Prizes. Well, y'all, the government now says that anyone threatening to spread the you-know-what will be charged with terrorism. I'm leaning forward extra because the sun is all in my face. Bought a curtain today to handle that. Anyway, the Department of Justice affirmed Wednesday that people who intentionally spread the novel you-know-what could be charged with terrorism. Could be. Officials across the states are taking threats of spreading you-know-what seriously. Earlier this week, a New Jersey man who police said purposely coughed on a grocery store employee and said he had you-know-what was charged with making terroristic threats. It was not clear whether the man had a lawyer, the state's attorney general said. And in Missouri, a 26-year-old man was charged this week with making a terrorist threat after he was filmed in early March licking sticks of deodorant at Walmart. Licking them? The fucking... Play stupid games, win stupid prizes. The St. Louis Post-Dispatch reported in a video, the man says, "Who's scared of you-know-what?" the newspaper reported. The man's attorney called the action immature, tasteless, and impulsive, but said it happened before the World Health Organization declared you-know-what a pandemic. The Post-Dispatch reported that declaration should not work retroactively and convert a tasteless, impulsive act into a criminal terrorist threat, the lawyer told the paper. According to the Justice Department memo, the you-know-what meets the criteria for a biological agent, and threatening to spread it or use you-know-what as a weapon against Americans could constitute a terrorist threat. Ding, 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 ding. All of you won the stupid prize for playing the stupid game. Tell them what they've won, Bob. Jail time. People are stupid. So stupid. Post your comments down below, please, and let me know what you all think about this. It's dumb. Very stupid. How bored are you to do something like that? You know what I mean? Like, can't you think of anything else to do with your life at that moment than threaten people like that? I realize things are very frustrating right now. People are out of work. People are unemployed. People are stressed out. People are sick. People are dying. I get it. But to go around threatening people with the thing that's taking people out, really? And you think you're going to be all right? After your psychiatric evaluation, please do something positive. Please. Okay?